John, what you going to do today?
I'm going to install a set of fenders on my truck. I'll show you a few steps. These tubes here are a little too long, so I got to cut them off. And I will cut these and I'll show you more clips. This is going to be nice.
Need a hand? Huh?
Did you bring the key?
What key? I didn't bring no key. Did you bring it inside? It is out of here.
I can tell you our batteries are gone.
Yeah. I'm gonna put that one on too right away.
In a bit. Be installing these fenders. Having fun?
Yeah, it's freezing cold.
Cold. Are you getting any of this?
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that. Nice. Nice.
One down, 3 to go. Can't really see.
I need this extension.
Damn, I can't show in there.
Really?
Yeah.
Where is that?
There's nothing. Where to go in there? I'll just watch you from here.
Push it in, would you?
Got it where you want it?
Oh yeah. Nicely done. Hang on.
Did you have the straps for this one? All right, I'll let you bring it then.
Some of you probably don't know this, but after my log season sold my Volvo, I went and bought this truck. Check it out, boys.
It's old, but it's nice.
Kitty cat motor, 18 speed. Super 46s. I'm telling you, this is going to be nice.
Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Show you just a little bit of what I do. Installed fenders today. It was fairly easy. And I thought I'd show you that I replaced my Volvo with a Freightliner. Kitty cat motor in there. Yeah, that is my cup of tea. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks.